Guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the red E30 325 IS that we got it for this load. So the previous episode was the sandblasting for the what we found on after sandblasting. I will take you through the update process of the vehicle. You guys are going to see how far we're getting. A lot of metal work has been done to the car, so the fenders are done. The roof is doing a lot of work on the roof. We've had quite a few bit of things in there that's been straightened out. The guys are actually getting into the floorboards. They started to tackle all the other weldings and so on like that, but the main one is getting done. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go through the vehicle. We're going to go through the vehicle and show you the progress and update of it. We've seen number 6. So this year and number 27 is basically in the right. I'll show you guys how number 27 looks. And as the white eyes, we should be getting sandblast I think by Thursday or so. That should be coming in, and it's basically going to go through the same process. So once we're done here, once all the welding is done and all the body work is done, it will go on to the rotisserie, where they will then tackle the bottom end of the car, floorboard, the floorboard structure of it. There's more welding and more work, more metal work to be done on that. Once that is done, then it goes into the booth for body prepping. Stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the rest of the episode. Okay, so as we get back into the car, you can see the area fenders are all done already. They're back onto metal. We've got minimal body filler on this vehicle. So this is basically a light scrape of body filler just to pull the kinks that we you can't kink out too much, you can't file too much. The metal is thin, so we got to use a little bit of body filler just to smoothen this guy out here. The car has been mic'd already. The car has been straightened. It has been measured out and straightened. Sorry, the car is nice and straight. So what I know is that we're done with the rear fenders. The boot area is done, but we're going to start getting to the inside of the boot. The roof is done as well. So the roof, if you see our number 6's roof came out, this is the expectation that we have, or that's the expectation that we have for how the roof should look. So this is still in work. This is work in progress. Then we're going to get out to the boot area. Now the work starts on the interior of the car, on the boot area. But the major part of this here is that I spoke to you guys a while back, and I told you that I wasn't happy about how the rear of the car sat, and we finally found out what the issue was. The left back of the car, I think the car was in an accident a while back, or back in its some time ago, I don't know when. Anyway, the one side was basically almost 4 centimeters shorter or lower down, and that's where that's how we saw that the back of the car was actually hanging. So that has now been sorted out, and Paul is making very good progress. So let's get him to finish the inside of the vehicle, the interior, the boot lid, and there's not much to do on the engine side of things. And let's get the car ready for body prep. So guys, stay tuned to our channel. Like, subscribe and share our channel, and I will keep you updated as the rest of the progress goes. Thanks guys. Cheers.